Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at one of the newest and most capable robot vacuums on the market, the Roborock Qrevo Curv S5X, a robot designed for powerful cleaning, smart navigation, and nearly zero maintenance. If you've been searching for a robot vacuum that handles pet hair, tight corners, and daily messes with minimal supervision, this one is engineered to impress. The headline feature here is the massive 18,500 PA suction power. Yes, 18,000. That level of suction lets the S5X pull dust from deep inside carpets, lift stubborn debris, and handle pet hair like a pro. Pause. And unlike traditional designs that often get tangled with long hair, the zero-tangling roller significantly reduces hair wrap, meaning you spend less time cleaning the brush and more time enjoying a clean home. Roborock included its new FlexiArm Side Brush, which extends outward to reach into corners and along edges, solving one of the biggest problems robot vacuums face. Combined with its systematic vacuuming pattern, it covers rooms more efficiently than random cleaners. For mopping, the S5X brings auto washing for the mop pads and lifts them automatically when crossing carpets. Hard floors get consistent scrubbing pressure while carpets stay dry. It's perfect for homes with mixed surfaces like tiles, hardwood, rugs, and carpeted bedrooms. Navigation is handled by advanced AI obstacle avoidance, allowing the robot to identify shoes, cables, pet toys, socks, and other small items. It learns your home layout and creates accurate maps for room-by-room cleaning, zone cleaning, and no-go areas. Maintenance is easy thanks to the 10-week self-emptying station. The dust automatically gets emptied into the dock, giving you nearly 3 months of hands-free use. The dock also handles mop washing and drying, keeping odors and bacteria buildup under control. With the Roborock app, you can control suction levels, adjust mop intensity, set cleaning schedules, create maps, and automate your entire home cleaning routine. If you want a powerful, intelligent, and low-maintenance robot vacuum that does almost everything by itself, the Roborock Qrevo Curv S5X is an excellent choice. Check out the Amazon link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more tech reviews uploaded daily.